For just 5 cents a day, you can help this poor African child. Just literally negatives. The owners will pay you. In the arms of an angel.
Poor dog. We bought the Miata some new eyes. As most of the car community knows, the Miata NA is well known for its pop-up headlights. Now, when I got the car, it came with googly eye attachments on the stock headlights, and as cute as they may be, they're not quite functional for daily use. Because, well, one, they cover the headlights, and two, they're stuck on with Velcro. Now, I can't have them on all the time, so we decided to give the headlights an upgrade. But without breaking the budget. After doing what I would consider the minimal amount of research possible, I ended up buying Amazon headlights for $70. So, right after we put on the catalytic converter from last episode, and we found out some interesting things about our blue Miata along the way.
Louisiana collagen, bro.
Let's go.
And they're fogging. That shit's worth money.
Fogging.
They got some extra ones because it's like RGB or something.
Extra ones.
Yeah,
Oh my god.
yeah, this car smells like shit.
God. Oh my god.
Do you know what wire does what? Do you have a? Do you want to check the voltage when I turn it on?
Let's see. This one's on my ground. This one's power.
Black ground, red power.
Yeah. And then we could solder it later.
Sure.
And make it.
As long as it doesn't blow up on
Yeah. Make it.
Hold on, why don't you use like a big ass lens?
It's too close. I need to get a 16 to 38 lens,
Mm-hmm.
and it costs like $800, $900. That's
Don't
why.
you have like a
The
$2,000 lens?
cinematic like
It's
wide
close.
line ones are hella expensive.
Yeah. And that's what I need. I need a wide lens to be able to capture everyone. The one that I have is pretty close. It's like for portraits. It's a 28 to 70 millimeter.
No, I'm thinking like.
That's the one that I use for when I stream with you guys, and you know like how close it gets to my
Yeah,
face.
yeah, yeah, it gets like up and shit.
Yeah.
I'm thinking, why don't you get a big ass so you can like zoom hella far?
I mean, this is what we're gonna be running with. We got some little twist tie. There's no.
We used to do that in Leonard Muigua's class.
Fuck.
You remember that?
Yeah, Cat 5 cables, man.
Yep, yep. Yes, sir.
This is A1 electrical engineering.
Maestro, Avoga. Holy shit.
Yeah, paint fucking on that paper. Muigo would be proud, I swear to God.
Look at. See that red? That means hazardous. You want to make sure you don't make it watertight, so water gets in there and then it corrodes the wires, you know.
You hear that, Adam?
Camera's over there.
You hear that, Adam?
Failing miserably.
Bro, it looks so cute. Look at that.
Hold up, can you see this?
It looks like one of those, the eyes that are like kind of watering.
Uh-huh,
You know what I'm talking about? Like the sad eyes.
Weeaboo rose. Like,
Yeah, weeaboo, yeah.
Don't tell them we got power tools.
Skills right there.
yeah, but they're not fitting.
Adam, I thought you were. Man, come on.
Alright, I got it, I think.
There you go.
Wait, no, this one, look. Oh, the other two fit, but this one doesn't fit.
So this goes over here. Your high beams. Your high beams go. So you go like this. Your high beams go to the right. So this goes right here.
Oh shit! Damn it! I fucked up that whole like past minute.
Then we got
That's like a porn camera, right?
like a furry chop.
He has the neck beard for it too. And
It's true. That's why I literally went to go apply to be a cameraman for like a solid like softcore porno, and they were just like, not neckbeard, not strong enough.
Set. Recording?
Yep.
You recording?
Yep.
You recording? You sure? Here it comes.
Oh.
Ooh, that smells clean. What the heck? Aldo putting in work over here. Alright, ready? High beams? Don't look at it. Close your eyes, y'all. High beam 3, 2, 1.
The fuck! It just went down. I think the high beams were on. Is that high beams?
No, it's backwards. This is high beams on. I see the blue light.
So you just remember to do
Listen,
it like that.
You're gonna blind people no matter what. It's
Well, I
fine.
think it is high beams on. Oh wait, do it again. Do it again.
This is high beams on. Are you ready?
Yeah.
High beams,
it is.
yeah, it is high beams on.
Oh,
This is normal,
God
right?
damn, that
Yeah,
shit
that's normal.
literally blew.
Why did the light turn off in the garage? Oh, I thought it was my eyes, bro.
I literally thought it was like day and then it was night all of a sudden, bro.
I've been driving,
Yep.
mother.